Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word uncomfortable. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. Sitting on the hard bench for hours made him extremely uncomfortable. Uncomfortable means feeling uneasy, awkward, or physically unpleasant, often due to a lack of comfort or a difficult or challenging situation. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.